Here we have a 2011 Honda CRV. This guy did a lemon. You see that? You see that skin right there? He did a lemon and baking soda DIY hack that everyone sees. And it went wrong. And he called me to fix it. So here we go. So this is just a lens prep, guys. This is what a professional headlight restoration gets you. This stuff is basically soap, but it has a little bit of magic in it. It kind of gets that surface grime and junk off the surface, and it kind of softens the plastic a little bit for me to start the sanding process. And then we always got to tape it off. I'm not trying to scratch bumpers here. So always like to see a good tape job there. And so here we go. Let's get ready to start sanding, guys. This is the real way to restore a headlight. Okay. This is 320 grit. That's a really aggressive grit. I needed that to get through that orange peel that you guys saw. I thought 500 would do it, which is still an aggressive grit, but I had to get down to 320 to get all that off and to get back to even. So a lot of these store-bought kits, guys, they're not going to give you the right grits. And so, at these lower grits, it's going to take some skill and some technique. So if you're thinking about doing it on your own, I don't want to scare folks, but if you're thinking about doing it on your own, just be careful if you're going to start pulling out those lower grits. All right, guys. So everything's even. Let's move on to 500. This is 500 grit. We're going to get rid of those 320 scratches using that 500 grit. So I'm still dry sanding. This is just the method I prefer with these super lower grits. Here we go. 800, guys. We're on to the wet sanding. I pulled out the machine for this one. You could keep hand sanding if you wanted to. I like the machine. It just kind of saves my shoulder. So here we go. 1000 grit. You can see the clarity's starting to come back there. So we're just getting rid of those lower scratches each and every grit. And we're just moving on. So wet sanding, I've still got the machine. No big deal. Here comes that 2000, guys. Again, 2000 grit. Same process, nothing special. We're just removing that 1000 grit layer with the 2000 grit here. So I just want to make sure we're nice and thorough. Any lower grits, we're really getting into the quote-unquote polishing stage here. Look at that clarity coming in. It's coming. Here we go. I like to hand sand at 3000. This is the final stage here. Look at the clarity coming, guys. I like to hand sand those horizontal scratches. For me, the UV clear I use just binds better to those horizontal scratches. And then here comes that real clarity, guys. So I'm soaking the pad off camera, and then here's the wipe on. Look at that coming in. Look at that mirror shine, guys. So this is that UV protectant. It's going to last minimum 12 months for this one, if not more. Usually maybe 18 months you'll get out of it. Sometimes even more if you park it in the shade, if you don't beat up the lights with lots of car washes and stuff like that. I mean, look at that transformation, guys. You can see it, and there it is. Okay, so just be careful with those DIY stuff, guys. More often than not, it just doesn't work, folks. So I would reach out to a professional, and there you go. So thanks, guys.